everyone! I hope you're doing great. I am your friend, Rocio Carrion, and today we will learn about an awesome topic, past tense, simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So pay close attention. Past simple. The past simple is used to talk about actions that happened and finished in the past. We often use it with time expressions like yesterday, last week, in 2020, 2 days ago. Regular verbs. Add ed to the base form. For example, walk, walked. Play, played. Work, worked. Irregular verbs. They change the form. These must be memorized. For example, go, went. Eat, ate. Write, wrote. Let's see some examples. I watched a movie yesterday. She visited her grandmother last week. We played soccer after school. Past continuous. The past continuous is used to describe actions that were in process at a specific moment in the past. We use was, were, plus the verb, plus ing at the end. I, he, she, it for was. You, we, they for were. Let's see some examples. I was watching TV when the phone rang. The TV watching was happening when another action interrupted it. She was studying at 8 p.m. last night. Ongoing action at a specific time in the past. They were playing soccer while we were cooking. Two past actions happening at the same time. Past perfect. The past perfect is used to show that one action happened before another past action or before in a specific time in the past. We use had plus the past principle. For regular verbs, we add ed. For irregular verbs, we use the third form. Let's see some examples. I had finished my homework before my mom got home. First I finished my homework, then my mom arrived. She had already left when I called her. She left first, then I called her. By the time we arrived at the party, everyone had eaten. They ate before we arrived. Past perfect continuous. The past perfect continuous is used to show that an action was happening over a period of time before another action in the past. We use had been plus the verb plus ing at the end. For example, had been watching cartoons. Let's see some other examples. I had been studying for 2 hours before my friend arrived. The study happened over time before another past action. She had been working at the company for 5 years before she got promoted. She worked continuously before something happened. They had been playing soccer for an hour when it started to rain. The playing was happening before the rain started. Here's a chart for you to review. Now I'm going to leave you some exercises for you to practice and leave your answers in the comments. I really hope you like this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Have fun!